So hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are back again with the DIY hairstyle video. So in the first one we are taking a section of the hair from the front and we are making the twist and turn design like this, and I'll complete it by a flower, then put a bobby pin to secure the design like this. So again make the twisting design just like this, the way we are doing it here, to give a brief design. So that's how you all can do this. So we are making a hat with the help of your hairs only, and that's it. That's how you can do it, and you can put a ribbon like this to complete it. Now in the next one you have to take a section of your hair from the front and then make braid like this. You have to make a French braid. You have to take a section of the hair from each side every time you braid and take out some of the hairs to give a voluminous appearance just like this, and in the end just complete your braid. Don't take any more section of your hair. Then again take out some of the hairs and do the same step from the other side also, so that you'll get an appearance like this. And then in the end you have to join both of them with the help of a rubber band. Again taking a section of your hair from the back this time and put a lots of hair setting spray so that they'll be like in this shape only, and that's it. So that's how you all can make it. Now in the next one you have to take a section of your hair from the front and twist them like this, and you have to take some part of the hairs out so that it will give you a voluminous appearance, and that's it. You have to repeat the same process from the second side, on the second side, and yeah, that's how you can do it, and secure both of them with the help of a rubber band. Now take a section of your hair from the front again and turn and twist it from the one we already made in the last time, and that's how you can get a heart appearance like this. And so now all you have to do is complete the braid by repeating the process again and again, and that's it. That's how you can achieve this one. Now taking a section of your hair from the front and braiding them in the normal braid the way we used to do it, but each time you braid you have to take a section of your hairs out and put it in the front. I'll tell you what you have to do with the rest of the hairs. So you have to repeat the same process and braid your hairs continuously like this. Take out the section of your hairs and complete it. So that's how you all can do it. Now we are just completing the braid and taking the section of your hairs from the front. Now with the rest of the hairs we already taught you, you have to make a braid with each of the section of your hair and again leave a strand of the hair in the front the way we did with the big braid. Now you have to do with the smaller one also, and take out the section of your hairs to give it a voluminous appearance, and that's how you all can get a cool braid. It's very easy and breezy, perfect for your summers. Now in the next design you have to take a section of your so this is a matting design. I think we have taught you this a number of times. So all you have to do is take a section of your hairs and from the bottom you have to take a strand and then put it like this. So you can get a matte design like this one, and in the end you have to secure it with a rubber band. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.